Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video will be my simple makeup glam routine. This is the makeup look that I've been wearing in my recent uploads, which includes no liner and no lashes. At first I was just like, let me do a little quick 1-2, and you guys loved it on Instagram, on YouTube. So I was like, let me show you guys what I do real quick. I'm also gonna time myself to see how long this takes, I think. So we'll see how long this takes and I'll include that in the title of this video. But before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family because we're doing big things over here. I'm uploading every day of quarantine, so I'm giving you guys new fresh content each and every day. So make sure y'all subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so that I know. And before you head out, after you watch this entire video, do not forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your questions, with your opinions. Leave them down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So if you are new to my channel, I have acneic skin, I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots, so my skin is not perfect, but this is just my glam routine that I do whenever I need to quickly record something, whenever I quickly need to take some pictures for the gram. I know we're in quarantine right now, but the content does not stop, okay? So this is a quick routine I've been doing. If you guys watch any of my previous beauty videos, you guys know that I do not prime my face. I do my morning skincare routine and then I just go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my lips. And the product that I use is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. I just like to let this sit on my lips as I do the rest of my face. Okay, I just put my timer on. So, lips moisturized. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, and this is my favorite foundation. This is the Lancome Tint Idol foundation in the shade 495. I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and the brush I'm gonna use is my NYX Professional Makeup brush. This is 02, but this is one of the foundation brushes that Jackie I know always raves about, so I tried it, I like it, and here we are. So this is the coverage that I got from 1 layer of foundation. I'm honestly obsessed with this foundation. It is kind of pricey, but what I would recommend is that when Sephora stores open back, go in Sephora and get a sample and try it out, and that way you can see if you really like it. You can figure out, you know, what your exact shade is before you go ahead and spend a bag. So go ahead and get them samples when Sephora opens and thank me later, because this foundation is amazing. And also Lancome has a program, I think it's in Seattle, Washington, where you can go and you can like get your foundation shade customized based on your skin tone. So one day, we got to speak it into existence. One day, I'm going to go and I'm going to get my custom foundation shade in my favorite foundation. Okay, so foundation applied. It looks a little darker, or it may look a little darker than my chest area, but it's okay because once we do our concealer and the whole jazz, it's gonna be blended. It's gonna look better. So now I'm gonna go in and highlight. So to highlight, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 410, and I'm just gonna go ahead and 410 is similar to my skin tone, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do. Yeah, this concealer is so creamy. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply 390 on top of 410. 390 is basically my undertone, but 1 shade lighter. This gives more of a pop to my highlight. I like. So that's what we got right now. Now we're gonna go into the brows. Just so you guys know, time check, we're at 6 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. So I just drew my brows in, and now I'm gonna go ahead and carve my brows out. So to carve out my brows, I'm going to use my Morphe M124 brush, which has the perfect tip to get under the brows. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 410. This is the shade that is closest to my skin. So I like to carve my brows out with 410 versus 390. And I like to drag my concealer down because it's easier to blend it in our next step. Also, if you are not a pro at doing your brows, I highly recommend carving out, because that just helps clean it up and just make it look better. So this is how I look after I carve out my brows. Y'all are probably like, girl, you look crazy. But it's okay, because we're about to get it together. So now I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge, which I just rinsed. I wash my sponge every time before I use it because it just gives a better blend. So I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge on the pointy side and blend all of my concealer. So I blended my concealer, and now I'm going to go in and set all of my concealer. And the setting powder I love to use is Kunafa from Huda Beauty. Yeah, this powder is babe. It's so finely milled. It just like seeks into your face. So I'm going to go ahead and take that on my sponge and set wherever I put concealer. And even though I didn't put concealer down here, I just like to set it. Okay, so this is our face set. And you guys see how my face lightened up. So now we're gonna go ahead and contour. So to contour, I like using my Sephora collection Spiced Market blush palette. So to contour, I'm going to use this shade right here. And then for my highlight, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two shades at the bottom. So contour and highlight done. So to set my face, I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. So after my setting spray dries down, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm using my Cork lip liner from MAC. It's chopped and screwed, but one thing I like to do before I do my lippy is take a paper towel and wipe off that lip balm that we applied at the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips now. Okay, so now that my lips are lined, I'm going to go ahead and put my lip gloss on. So this is the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss. And I love this lip gloss because it gives me shine, but it also gives like a little hint of color. And it's also perfect for like a glowy, dewy summertime look. So this is my finished lippy. Now we just have to finish my eyes. So to finish my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. So the mascara that I've been loving is the Benefit Roller Lash. And I love this mascara because the wand of it is small enough where I can do my top and bottom lashes. So I went ahead and applied 3 coats of mascara to my top lash here so you guys can see the difference. No mascara versus the mascara. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish. And I like to apply 3 coats to each top lash and 3 coats to each bottom lash. Okay, so my face is officially done. And this is basically my simple, like, everyday beat. When I used to do my makeup to go to work, this is exactly what I would do. Let me show you. Almost 23 minutes. I feel like it's because I was recording, but on a regular, this takes me like anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. But this is basically the finished look. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. All items that I used today will be linked down below. So go ahead and check the description box for all further details. And just so you guys know, the links down below, most of them will be affiliate links. I just wanted to let y'all know. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if you guys use any similar products. Let me know what other makeup looks you guys want to see on my channel, because I am willing to explore and show you guys different things. So go ahead and let me know down below. And make sure you guys subscribe before you head out. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop that comment down below. And make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications, because I'm posting each and every day of quarantine. So y'all don't want to miss any videos. Like, I'm giving y'all new content every day. Every day, sis. So go ahead and put your post notifications on. And until tomorrow's video, I'll see you guys later.